In this video today, I'm going to be showing you the best free traffic source that will make you a lot of money with CPM marketing. And if you don't know me or you are new to this channel, my name is Samuel and I make video about how you can make good money online with CPM marketing or any other marketing schedule. Okay, so if you love this kind of video, all you have to do now is to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and let's go. So first, we're going to be using this website called Mylead, and as you can see, why I love Mylead is that Mylead have a lot of offers, thousands of them, more than CPA grip. So you can choose from category depending on what you want to promote. So in this case, we're going to be promoting a giveaway, and I want to show you the best way to promote giveaway with this secret strategy. Okay, so come down here and then you have to see a lot of giveaway offers here. So let's say want to choose sweepstakes, so let's look for it. This is sweepstake right here, and if you are looking for a particular country, then you have to come up and search for the country right here. So in this case, let's search for United States here, and then we have to see a lot of United States offer here. So click on United States and we have about 561 offers on United States. Okay, so this one is sweepstakes smart link, and okay, so this smart link is for this smart link is for different country offer. So as you can see, once any country click on it, it will show them an offer. Okay, so this is the forbidden traffic right here, so don't choose any forbidden traffic right here. Okay, so this is $1,000 Amazon gift card, and this is how to apply when you are new to this place. Okay, so just choose here. This one is also Uber Eats and many of them right here, and Walmart gift card and so click here and click on promote, so you can be able to apply for this offer. For my own case, I've been approved for many offer here, and they will approve me immediately after I apply for this offer. But in your own case, it might take 24 hours right here for them to approve you. So no matter what the case, they must approve you. Make sure you add your traffic source. So I have to click here now on this first one, and I have to apply here, and then I have to choose PPC advert. I have to say explain the more method I use. Say I use social media for promotion. Okay, so I can say something like this. So if they did not approve me now, once they read it, they'll have to approve me. But on so many cases, as you can see, they have approved me immediately because I have been using this type of thing. And if I click here now and view this place, let's see how this landing page will look like. So this is the landing page, but it's an image. Okay, so the next thing is copying the affiliate link. So come down below and then have to click on URL generator, and then you have to get your affiliate link. Let me show you how I was able to get a lot of conversion for this offer using this type of landing page right here. Where I built this landing page was on Breezy, and you can do same thing and make so much conversion. This landing page is very professional, and if you want me to make video about how I did this, comment below and I will make a special video for you. So on this video, I'm not going to be making any video. I have already many videos that teaches landing page building here, and you can go about and watch them. Okay, so this is the Breezy, and this is the landing page URL I use here. If I click on this edit right now, you will see I did a lot of things here. So if you fill up this form now and click here that says continue, it will pop up and create say sent successfully, you are qualified, and it will redirect you to this page. So how I do this, I did this form or with ChatGPT, and if you don't know how I did it with ChatGPT, you can go and watch these videos right here. I showed where I did it here, and if you want me to make a special video for that, I can actually make it. So with this, you can be able to make something like that. As you can see, if I click on continue and click on the URL here, direct, this is the link here, this submit form, and I generated it so that once they try to tell us their opinion, they will think that this is the opinion I am rewarding them with. Okay, so if they click on agree right now and click on submit, and this is what pop up: submit your opinion, win a $100 reward instantly, successful, you deserve a $100 reward, get offer. Once they click on this get offer, they will be directed to my page where I will be able to collect their details, and then I'll be able to make money. Okay, so it's that simple, and that's all. And the traffic source we're going to be using gonna be Twitter. Let me show you the best way you can use Twitter for this job. Okay, so let me just go over to Twitter. And then this is Twitter. Let me show you the profile that I used right here. And this profile is straightforward and it's just like a business profile I created with my Gmail. If you don't know how to do this, listen attentively and you're going to learn the black hat way to make money with Twitter. Okay, so let me refresh and log in to my account here. Alright, so as I finished loading, this is my profile on Twitter, and let me just go over to the profile proper. So I will show you how I optimize my profile so that whenever I add link, people will think is original. If you don't know how to get followers, then stay tuned because I will make video how you can get at least your first 50 followers on Twitter. And let me just go over to profile here. And then I scroll down. This is my link right here. We help brand consult surveys and establish their business growth with people's opinion through giveaway and cash. Okay, so this is the link here, and you don't have to go ahead and say something like free gift card. It will look spammy right here. And next thing you have to do is to start posting good things and post it for some days. As you can see, this account is new, October 9. Start posting good things and start getting attention like this. Start getting attention like this. Start getting a lot of impression, and people will start following you. Okay, if you don't know how to get a lot of this, you just go over to ChatGPT and tell it to generate post for you. Let me just give one a post now. They have to come down here after some days, after you have gained a lot of trust. Have to come down and they have to post your design. Make a design like this on Twitter, on Canva right here. Okay, so just come down to this design and search for something like giveaways, and then you have to see a lot of designs like this. So I'm using Canva Pro right here. If you don't know how to use Canva Pro, you don't know how to get Canva Pro, comment below and I'll show you how. I got it almost for free. I just less than $1, and this is the Canva design I use right here. Okay, so you can use anyone here to make a very nice something. And the load, so the load right now after making your design and after convincing them to. Okay, so I have to click here and I have to choose only number one here. I have to click here that says done, download. And the next thing I have to do now is to upload it here on my Twitter, and I can say something like this, exactly what is on this page. So I will always say exactly what is on this page help us take business surveys and win a brand new I win business surveys and win $100 to this blah 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 for your opinion. I can do something like that here, and then I have to paste this image, bring down this image right here. But on this case you have to add some tags, and after everything click here that says post, and the next thing you have to start doing is to get a lot of retweet for yourself after posting this. So click here that says post, and they have to post this right now. So come over to like for like, and then you have to get a lot of retweet for this. So like for like will give you a lot of retweets for this particular offer. Okay, so go over to likeforlike.org, and they have to get a lot of retweets for yourself. So this is like for like here. All I have to do is to log into my account, then I have to log in now. I'm logging in already, everything is here, and then I have to come down here. Sorry, I have to click here that says manage or add, and then I have to add followers or retweet. So I have to come down here and says Twitter retweet here. So this Twitter retweet, I have to copy the link of this page. This is the link of the post I made. Sorry, this is the post I made here. Make sure you add some hashtags, and then I have to come down here, add your link to your post here, paste it. You can reduce it to 2 and click on submit. So after clicking on submit right here, you have to come here that says free credits, and then you can start following people to get free credits. So guys, once you're getting credits, your offer or your post will continue to be retweeted. And make sure you try this right now, as I will see you in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.